Welcome to Style My Home video. In this episode, I'm going to show you something rare, something uncommon in Singapore. Let's go! So, this is the honeycomb blinds. Because this is the first time I've shown you the blinds, I'm going to explain in more details how this honeycomb blind works. Okay? So, this honeycomb blind, it comes with the head rail. Okay, so if you compare the head rail with the roller blinds and the combi blinds, this will look more slimmer. So for a lot of my customers, they don't like bulky head rail, you can look for the honeycomb blinds. Okay, we have the pulley also. Okay, this is to control up and control down. If you look at the material, okay, it's plain, but if you zoom into the details, you can see that it's pleated. In another name for these blinds is called the cellular blinds. So if you look at the sides, it have a lot of pocket of cellular. It's said that it can reduce heat in your rooms. That's why this honeycomb is very widely used in USA. In Asia, it's still not so popular, but if you go to the Europe country, a lot of people are using this honeycomb blinds. When it's lifted up, okay, the honeycomb will be compressed. One very good point about the honeycomb, if you see from the side, okay, you will notice there is very minimum gap against the wall. If you compare with roller blinds and combi blinds, usually the left and right side gap will be about 1 inch. So the light slipping in from the side is very little. For those windows that is bulging in, a lot of the customer will recommend honeycomb. Okay, now I am going to show you different kind of system for the honeycomb blinds. Just now I showed you the single layer. Okay, the second system that I'm going to show you, it will come with 2 pulleys. Okay, the blind can be lowered down from the top. This is called the top down, bottom up. So you can bring the blind up and you can adjust the bottom up also. For this type of honeycomb, very suitable for customer that want ventilation from the top, but they still want privacy from the bottom. So far in the market, I think this is the only blinds that can solve this issue. So now I'm going to introduce you another type of top-down, bottom-up. This top-down, bottom-up is what I personally like. You can add in the day fabric from the honeycomb. You can have it all day and you can have it all night. And you can have it day and night. This is the only blind that can have it 2 ways. Now I'm going to talk about the third system. It's called the sliding honeycomb. What is so special about this sliding honeycomb? It can solve the main problem of other blinds. It can be 100% blackout. Always when we talk about roller blinds and combi blinds, we talk about 100%. We are talking only the fabric is 100% blackout. But in terms of honeycomb sliding, it's a really 100% blackout from the blind itself. Why? Because we have a frame from all 4 sides and the fabric is inside of the frame. So it can block the sunlight coming in from the top, bottom, side. And it comes with single layer, double layer, and then you can open from the middle also. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all the fabric of the honeycomb blinds. Okay, so this is the sample of the honeycomb. So we have 3 types of fabric. First, we have the semi-blackout. This will block up to 60%, 60 to 70%. Okay, then we have the second one is the sheer. And then we have the blackout fabric. Plus, we also have a waterproof blackout fabric for customer that want to use it on the bathroom. And of course, for those customers that find pulley as a hassle, we also have the motorized system. And that's the end of the video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Style My Home video.
Secret Furnishing.